In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TurboTax for a small business. So first of all, I'm unable to show you some steps in here due to country restrictions, but listen carefully as I explain each step. So first, identify your business structure as this determines the forms you'll need. So it could be sole proprietorship or single member LLC, or partnership or multi-member LLC, or the last one, the corporation or C corp or S corp. So understanding your structures, ensure you're using the correct TurboTax product and form. So assumingly we've finished these steps in here and we are verified to use the TurboTax. So TurboTax offers several products tailored to different business needs. The first one is the TurboTax Self-Employed. This is ideal for single member LLC. Then the second one is the TurboTax Business, designed for partnerships or multi-member LLCs and corporations. And the third one is the TurboTax Live Assisted Business. This provides access to tax experts who can answer your questions as you prepare return. And the last one is the TurboTax Full Service Business. A tax expert handles your entire return from start to finish. So now, make sure you gather your necessary documents. So collect all relevant documents. It could be income records, expense records, asset information, and the previous tax returns. And then after that, with your documents ready and the appropriate TurboTax product selected, input your business details, report income and expenses, and review asset information. So after entering all data, review your return, then choose your filing method and save copies. So remember, filing deadlines vary March 17, 2025 and April 15, 2025. So filing on time helps avoid penalties and interest. So filing your small business taxes might seem daunting, but with the right tools and preparations, it's entirely manageable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.